And I know another person that you were involved with from early too was Mavado.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely. Mavado was like, you know what I mean? Me meet Mavado where normally we used to just go around at Oakland, go link up Killer and Reason than DJ Win. Cause you know, DJ Win and Killer have a different relationship. So from him forward in a town, him have to link Killer. So, you know, normally we follow him and we go around at Oakland a day, go link him and Vado them were around there at the time. And you know, we are Killer in a Reason and everything. And he kind of shout out to me and say, yo, Liquid, beg you a minute no more talk to you. So I kind of step aside and say, yo, yeah man, I'm here where I say, and he explain to me, say, yo, my name Mavado now and thing. I'm used to name Singing Blacks and, you know, I just do a new thing for some new producer you name Daseka. I've already named Anger Management, named Real Mackay. But guess what, I didn't know Daseka them because I use Daseka them to make a hit rhythm for me before them did it. Because I use Daseka them make the Man for Dead. Hey boy, I be trouble you again.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, they're the one that helped you with that production.
Yeah, they're the one who helped me with that production. That production wasn't me and Dan. You know what I mean? That production was just my idea, definitely. Cause when I play back for the 90s, I used to love the rhythm there. Man for Dead with Buju. I am me born, I am me live. But you know, it never got commercial because it never read the edit and everything.
Not at that time there.
You know, yeah, at the time, then time I producer, me and Buju always cool. So Buju always I say, so why you not give me none of the bad rhythm them Liquid? What you deal with? So I always say, me soon do one for you, my G. Me soon do one for you, my boss. So I know say, yo, you talk connect. You know? I mean, that's the them make that and call that's the them and play it for them and tell them say, I want it exact, want the same whole feel and yo, them find the same keyboard that Dave Kelly used, the DX100. And make it exact with it, use the same exact sound, you know? Even Dave Kelly heard it before I put it out and we're like, yeah, Liquid. You sure want to sample, you sample it. And I said, no, Dave. make it over. And we're like, yo, it's bad. Go on, do your thing. So I check Buju and you know, to be honest with you, the first time I checked Buju about recording Buju Vice the same day, the same night. So it's like a history. Certain things happen to me, you know what I mean? People don't understand. It's so natural. I don't fight it nor nothing. But just go check Buju with the rhythm and with a reason and we make him hear it and him I say, Liquid, but the rhythm there, you know, eat the rhythm there already, you know. You know? I mean, I say, no, me general, eat it. The world I know you eat it certain way, man. Cause a new time now. I love the rhythm. It's one of my favorite rhythm. I buy as a record and love.
Yeah.
So him say, yo, put it in the truck. Then time I drive the Benz truck, I'm up, you know, up at the studio. Reason and the rhythm I go and bounce in the truck, you know? Till the reason turn, you know. Hey boy, yeah. Like a singing start, you understand? So till we end up a sing, man. And the dancer, we in the studio. Yo, put in the rhythm. The same night. And the same night, Buju Vice sang that for me. You know what I mean? You know, I couldn't be more grateful. You know what I mean? Because a few people... Yeah, go ahead.
No, continue. You're talking.
Yeah, so it's like, because Buju, at the first record that I'm buying a Browning, you know.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean? Yeah, so recording Buju was one of my goals, like in a music. Even when I do nothing else, you know, I get for record Buju. You understand? And it was a hit. And, you know, it a mad thing, man.
And that's crazy right there, because now you've seen early Kartel, early Mavado, you were buying Buju records. Now you're actually getting to record Buju. So then at this time here, your career is like red hot right now. You're almost getting to accomplish every goal and dream you had in your mind already.
Yeah, definitely. You know what I mean? And you just keep going. After that, I just keep up. I had 12 gauge rhythm, link up with Steven, them had 12 gauge rhythm, get the big hit with Bounty Killer and Idonia. You see me?
12 gauge was your rhythm too?
Yeah, man, 12 gauge is my rhythm too, man.
Mad. Crazy. Okay,
you know?
So then this is the story then. You had early Mavado, early Kartel. When the Gaza Gully war broke out, what kind of position did that leave you in as a producer where you've been linking with these guys from early out?
Well, that left me in a position where me play the song them fresh to that Wednesday. Me start the war, them start the war, but definitely make the world hear the war. Because me used to get the song them every Wednesday. As one voice, me get the answer. So me used to bring it to the people them. You understand? During that war, there was never at time where Adi or Mavado think me up on a side. Them just know say Liquid a did music, cause you don't know. Me give two of them the same strength from day one and whole heap of other people. So there was never a side thing with me and them. There was just me, Liquid make him won't make the people them hear it. You know, me was just like the messenger, the instrument to make the people them hear what go on. And you know, at the role that me play, like you could have looked for every Wednesday to hear what Adi come next with this week or what Mavado Vice this week.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.